What's up, guys? Welcome to Gentleman Driven. Today we're going to be teaching you guys how to paint your brake calipers at home. Today we'll be working on this 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. I got my boy Ace over here. What's up, guys? We already started working. Let me show you guys how we're doing. We got the car lifted up on jack stands. Guys, never lift your car up only on the jack. Use jack stands. You never know when your jack will fail. Car falls on top of you, not good. So we got the car on jack stands right here. Got the front wheels taken off. Basics to painting your brakes: take the wheels off. Do not try to paint them with the wheels on. Not a good idea. So on the other side, we're laying out our foundation for the paint prep. Basically what we did was we took this bag, cut a little slot in it, wrapped around here, got everything around it so that it covers all of this assembly. Then we're gonna put this blue top around it and get spraying, guys. Alright guys, so a little more info on the paint prep we did today. So basically what I did was pulled the wheels off. This is already prepped up. We used some brake cleaner to get all the dust off the brakes. These brakes don't come painted from the factory, so it makes it a lot easier than brakes that do come painted from the factory to change the color. So went ahead and hit it with the brake cleaner, and today we're going to be using Dupli Color engine enamel with ceramic. It's high heat paint. It's not Caliper paint, but it's still high heat and it'll work for today. So watch this. Alright guys, so what you saw there was the first coat. We're gonna hit it with the first coat just to let it get that base, and then after that we're gonna hit it again and lay down the last few coats. Also, word of advice: wear goggles. Wear goggles when using brake cleaner, because that stuff hits a little curve, will go straight back into your eye, and you don't want that. Luckily, the brake cleaner these days is non-chlorinated, so it won't really do a lot of damage. But I also don't suggest you to just go ahead and like spray it in your eyes. So be careful, use goggles, use protection, and be safe. Alright guys, as you can see, the brake caliper is almost done. You're going to want to repeat the same steps for all three of the ones that you have left. Now, another word of advice: use a respirator. I'm not using one because I'm using the no breathing method. So I'll hold my breath while I'm spraying, then look away, breathe, come back. But like, don't do that, just use a respirator. But they're coming out real nice. I hope he likes that shade of yellow. I also forgot to mention there is a better way of doing this, which is removing the calipers. But since we're balling on a budget, that's not gonna happen. So we are at the $8 can from the store type brake caliper painters, and that's what we're doing here. Also, another note before I forget: the way we're painting them, since we didn't remove them, the brake pads are still on there, so you are painting the brake pads at the same time. So when this car gets its brake done at some point, that paint in there is going to be gone. So whether the owner wants to paint the calipers to match, paint the pads to match the calipers again, that's up to them. But just so you know, like, they're not going to stay like that forever until you do your brakes. Alright guys, as you saw, we are done with the brakes. With this one, I'm going to do the rest of them, and you guys can do the other ones at your own pace. But we are done with this front passenger side brake. It looks great. And before you start trolling in the comments, if you're looking for the right way to do this, do not go on YouTube. Go to a shop, go pay them whatever they're going to charge you to powder coat them or whatever. But this is just a budget, like, DIY garage way to do it. There's definitely other videos that do it in a different, maybe better way, definitely better way. But this is like, we're doing this, we're almost done in like, it's been an hour. So if you want to do it really quick for 10 bucks in an hour in a garage, outside, however you want to do it, then this isn't such a bad way to do it, and it looks pretty good. Check it out. Got some good coverage and everything. So, not bad. If you guys want to check out more videos, oh, actually, now's the time to plug the shirt. So, these are the Gentleman Driven shirts, guys. I know this is a new channel. Well, it's kind of new. I haven't been posting a lot, but I'm trying to get back on it lately. These are the Gentleman Driven shirts. They only come in black with the gold emblem. So, if you want the shirt, what we're gonna do is, I need 100 likes on this video to go ahead and post the links for the shirt. I'll make them available as soon as I get those 100 likes, and hopefully you guys like them. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. And see you next time.